My house renovation is not finished, and I think this TikTok explains why.
It's been 84 years.
I'm mostly showing you the good bits, not because I want to hide the rest from you, but because unfinished bathroom is quite weird setup. Or my poor stairs that's still hosting a bit of lead paint. Oh, this is already this year problem. Speaking of the bathroom, recently I removed some lingering signs of renovation chaos from here. Some tools, materials, trash even, and a stepladder. That ladder had been temporarily useful for about a year, a constant reminder of renovation chaos. Also, I thought, once I carried it downstairs, the discovery occurred. A very upset Anton came to me and asked to put the ladder back. Apparently, he quite likes to rest his laptop while watching films and having a bath. That twist I didn't see coming. At the same time, we both exhausted from managing, planning, scheduling, doing, stepping all the unfinished renovation tasks. And that ladder sitting in the bathroom was a constant reminder for me about things that waiting to be done. So we reached a compromise. I will find a replacement. I briefly considered to buy something ready-made, a folding stool, a table. After truly pointless hours of searching, I lost heart. Everything was either too ugly, too plasticky, too wide, too small, or mysteriously not folding at all. And charity shops offered the same disappointment. Until one day, while helping my friend to clear up the understairs storage in their parents' house. Well, helping it's quite a generous term, as I was mostly hanging about wearing a rather excellent pith helmet, something appeared from the depths. A folding tray. That sort that you're eating your dinner in front of TV. There was a moment of ethereal singing. Well, the form was not the appearance. I learned that the tray wouldn't be used for the next 10 years, and I even got a permission to renovate it. A true gift. I proudly presented my finding to Anton, who was unamused. Still, I promised that after a little work it will look different, and frankly, Anton and my bathroom, unfinished as it is, deserves better than a ladder. First thing first, I need to remove existing finish, and I will try to scrape it first before committing to sanding everything. I have no desire to use paint stripper unless it's necessary, but if the finish misbehaves, I'm afraid that will be my last resort. This tray lived a full life before joining me, Belgium, France, now England, and I want to be respectful. Right, now sanding. Luckily, I received a new toy, a wonderful gift. Meat surf prep. It came all the way from Canada, and it means it came with a small challenge, voltage differences. So my surf prep has, how to open you, has a friend companion, a converter. I wanted one of these since the house renovation, all due to its uniqueness with foam parts that are perfect for details and curves, and I have a lot of woodwork in the house. But also it has straight angles. This is exactly what I need right now. Okay, I sounded it with 150, 180 and 220. So now it's so smooth as my skin will never be. I think we're ready to stain it, and I'm going to stain it twice because I would like to see in the darker version. Also, off camera, one of the rods popped out, so I had to glue it in, and I just used a simple cotton bias tape just to kind of apply pressure because I don't have clamps that big. Okay. There are little scratches, notches, gaps that I'm going to put filler in first, and then to protect this board. And then I need to protect this white board from the stain, and then we can stain. Let's go. And now finish. Body oil. Sponsor me already. I don't think they actually sponsored anybody, but I will continue to use them anyway. As usual, stir, put it on, after a couple of hours, buff it off. Done. Oh, it smells amazing. I wish I could eat it, but rather not. Don't eat it. And now to the fun part. No, 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 no. Ah, it's still leaked a little bit. Oh, even frog tape betrayed me. Alas. So I bought this wallpaper, I will show you. And it said that it's green and gold. It's incredibly dark green. Ladies and gentlemen, and other peasants. So what's left? I'm going to put all this wax because this thing is going to live in bathroom, so extra layer of protection won't hurt. And I need to assemble the thing. So see you in the reveal. While I was applying the wax, I thought it would be a brilliant idea to add some tool paper as well. And look. The pads are quite soft, abrasive, yes, but something like kitchen sponges. And I used them to apply wax to painted surfaces and no issues at all. Apparently not this time, modern quality. And I have to reapply the wallpaper now. And since it's almost black, I decided to change them to these ones. I found this as a replacement and I wanted to darken them with a bluing solution, but I couldn't find it nearby, and if I would order it online, it will arrive weeks later. When I actually will have it, I certainly will darken them, but not now. As you might remember, there were two tapes originally to prevent this, so I'm going to make them as well. It seems to be an unavoidable law of the internet, like law number 69, that if a piece of furniture was originally lighter, you have to flip it into a darker color. It's far from being perfect, and I need to learn a lot before I will even consider myself as a furniture flipper. For a start, it would be actually useful to know what kind of wood is that. Second, it would be nice to have actually more stains than just one. Well, technically two, but I don't like it very much. And wallpaper. If you know a really good brand of peel and stick wallpaper, please let me know, because I'm clearly still searching. This is it from me for now. Cheers! Oh, my posters! I found these as a that had scandalous. But before I will put filler in the